I am so excited to share with you this recipe. These are the best, the most ultimate stuffed portobello mushrooms I have ever eaten in my life. So what you're going to do is take your portobello mushrooms and you're going to take the stems off of them. You're also going to take a spoon or something sharp and you're going to scrape off the black on the inside of it. Don't need to be picky with this, just get the most off it and you should be good. Then you're going to want to rinse off the top and the bottom quickly to make sure there's no residue from growing them in the gardens, like dirt or something on them, just to keep it safe. Take a small little pan, whatever pan you have, line it with parchment paper and put them all on the parchment paper. Take the little bowl. You need about 4 tablespoons of olive oil in it, extra virgin olive oil. Then we are also going to use garlic powder. So depending on what you have, you can use 1 to 2 garlic cloves. I didn't have any left, so I just used 4 teaspoons of garlic powder. You're going to stir it right up, and then you're going to baste the inside of the portobello mushrooms. Once it's all basted and looking good, then you just take prosciutto and layer it on top. You can put as much or as little as you want. I usually put 2 to 3 slices, as that's my preference. Then after, you're going to shred cheese on top. It doesn't matter what type of cheese, you just choose whatever cheese you like. I'm using Pecorino Romano sheep cheese. It's my absolute favorite. Then you're going to pop it in the oven at 400 for about 20 minutes or until your knife or fork goes through them softly to make sure that they're soft in the middle. Then you'll know that they're done. When they're done, you're going to take them out, place them on a nice plate, and you can drizzle some balsamic vinegar on top, as little or as much as you want. It is absolutely delicious, amazing, quick, under 5-minute recipe, and I hope you enjoy, because I certainly do.